So I think overall the mission of LandGuys is really to be the best in the market segment that we're in. We don't strive to be the biggest brokerage out there, but what we do strive to do is be the best in the footprint that we reside in. I think part of what separates us from other brokerages is that we really make an effort to represent properties thoroughly and represent them beautifully and cut no corners. We're very big into visual marketing, making things look as appealing as possible and being as informative as we can possibly be. And that truly helps sell the property even online before people actually step foot on the property. And I think that is one thing that really sets LandGuys apart is we truly care, we're truly passionate about it, and we cut no corners to make our listings look the very best as possible.